Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's topic I came up with a very interesting scenario. Okay, let's see. What's the challenge here is that suppose I have a two slicer here. Okay, so one slicer is coming from my product category. Okay, and one filter it is coming from my customer name. Okay, and we have a basic report here. Let's take this is my report, basic report, where I want to just show the region wise my let's take the net sales. Okay, so what happened now? Let's see, try to select one category. Let's take furniture. For the furniture, these are the different regions with their net sales, right? So let me try to put the size bit somewhere around 14, so it will be clearly visible to everybody. Okay, so now this is the one. But do you think this all customer have purchased this all the product? No, right? This category not purchased by or other way. Suppose I'm selecting one customer here, so I'm getting for the east region this is the net sales, but is this this customer bought all the categories? This is a misleading information, no? And this is why it is happening because of a relationship here. So the basically what is happening here in this case is that the customer is going to the sales, okay, and from the sales it is not going to the product because there is no bad rational filter. And same thing when the product is going to the sales, and from the sales we are not able to uh, filter the customer. So there is no bidirectional filter. So one way is that we just double click on the product to sales or customer to sales and make it as a bidirectional. But as you know that bidirectional have some ambiguity problems, should not use this unless until there is any other solution. So in this case, the solution could be, let's try to simplify here. So here what I want to know here is that let me this customer slicer, no, I just convert it into a table, and I want to see whether the sales table have data for this product or not. That's what I want to see. Okay. So for that what I will do is that I'll create a new measure. I'll say is sales empty. Okay. So I will say is empty function. I have is empty function, DAX function. Okay, there I will put my sales table. Alright, now just put this column into related to the customer. Okay, so now everything is right now it is false. Let's try to select one product or the category of furniture. So if you see select the furniture, no. So for this customer it is true, for this customer it is true, and for this customer is true. Okay, so it means that for the furniture these are the data is empty. So is empty function is something like whenever it founds a blank value for that particular table, it will give you true, else it will be false. So these are the customer. Wherever there is a true, for that the customer entries are not there, or for that the sales is not there in the sales table. So if you can filter the customer name based on the is sales empty equals to false, then we can solve your problem, right? So let's try to again convert it into your slicer. Okay, now what happen is I want to go to the filter here for the particular visualization, select the slicer, go to the visualization, and try to push the is cells empty here. But here one more problem is there, I am not able to put any filter because I want to put the filter as false. The problem here is that whenever in Power BI, if this output is coming as a Boolean expression, it is like true or false, right? So I can put the filter in the slide in the filter section. I can put it as a filter called true or false. So I need to convert this into an integer like 1 and 0. Then only I can put it the filter. So for that what I will do, I will convert this into an integer type. Okay. Now if you enter it, now it will allow you to select it. Now I will say is 0. 0 means the false. Now click on apply. Now what happen is, let's check any office appliances. So it will only show the customer which are purchase the office appliances. Like technology, they are changing. Yeah. So let's do it for the product as well. So same filter I can use is sales empty, and I can see is equals to 0. Now try to select and so select one customer. Okay. And one customer, see, this customer only bought office supplies and technology. This customer only checked of furniture and office appliances. Now both ways it is working. If you select the technology, the customer are changing. After this is the this guy, suppose this guy or this guy is only but furniture and office appliances. This is the way you can do the sync of the slicer. Okay, all right, makes sense. So got it right. Okay, yeah. So please please subscribe to this channel for more interesting content like this, and you will be not you will get more interesting content. I'm saying very frankly, and please comment yourself. Comment any specific topic you want to discuss or any scenarios which you have faced in your interview or any real-time scenario wherever you are working. If you are stuck in anything which you need help on that, right? Put it in the comment section. I'll definitely work on that and I will give the solution for that. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.